car. Have a little, it's 20 miles an hour. Have a little drive through Margate. I might go Ramsgate, it's only 15 minutes away. It's what I originally set out to do. Well, yeah, this is the prom where I walked along the seafront. Ramsgate, it's signed up there. I'll go around this one way. Don't know what this looks like with me driving. Traffic. Alright, looks like I've exited Margate. I'm gonna head for, I was hoping that was a sign. Yes, Ramsgate. Another coastal town, which I don't think I've ever been to. Nice painting of a seal. Let's go Ramsgate before the sun goes down. Alright, so I am in Ramsgate, seafront. I was about to say I'm looking for the coast. I think if I go left, that'll take me there. Made it to Ramsgate. I'm just going to drive along here. I should park up really. It's looking a big boat dockyard here. Rocky. Oh, it's a bit tricky. Alright. Here's Ramsgate. Don't know if this is getting anything good on camera while driving. A bit naughty.